A magical rainy day. Today was a rainy day, but it turned out to be magical. At first, I was sad because I wanted to play outside, but then I decided to make the most of it. I grabbed my favorite book and snuggled under a cozy blanket. As I read, I listened to the rain tapping on the window. It sounded like music. After reading, I put on my rain boots and grabbed my umbrella. I went outside to splash in the puddles. Jumping and splashing made me laugh and feel free. I pretended I was a frog hopping around. When I got back inside, I made hot chocolate with marshmallows. It warmed me up. I realized that rainy days can be fun too. They give me time to read, play, and imagine. I can't wait for the next rainy day to create more magic.